Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Stay put.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Look, Kate, backpacks.
Let's be hikers.
And hike along Twisty Trail.
Yeah, in the wiggly woods.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and marched straight to the start of Twisty Trail to meet up with the other hikers.
Okay, hikers, it's easy to get lost out there, so let's stay together. But if you do get separated from the group, just stay where you are. All right, hikers, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, kids, here's one for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who in the woods am I looking for? A bear. A bear. I want to see a bear. Hey, you're good at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who in the woods am I looking for? A bunny. A bunny. I want to see some bunnies.
Hop, hop, hoppity hop.
But then Kate stopped marching along when something strange caught her eye.
Look, Kit.
What is it, Kate?
Something moved in there.
Don't worry, Kate. It's probably just a teensy old dragon. Roar!
Ah!
Ha-ha! Gotcha! No, really, Kate, there's nothing in there. See? Ah! Well, we better catch up with the others.
Right.
Kate, did they go this way or that way?
I don't know.
What should we do, Kate?
The leader told us to stay where we are if we get separated.
But it'll be a lot faster if we just run and catch up.
Maybe you're right. But which way should we go?
I know. I'll go this way and you go that way. And whoever finds them first yells, "Here we are!"
Well, okay. But I'm kind of worried.
So Kit and Kate split up, but soon they came to more forks in the trail. Now they were both totally lost.
Kit?
Kate!
Kit!
Kate!
I'm over here, Kit.
I see you, Kate.
Now what do we do?
We scream, "Help! Help!"
Then along came a mysterious stranger. What's wrong, kitties?
We can't find our group.
Oh, how did that happen?
We started looking at this tree, and next thing we knew, the group was way ahead of us.
So we tried to catch up, but then we got totally lost.
And when the group leader noticed you two were missing, what do you think he did?
He probably went looking for us.
And where do you think he looked?
I guess back on the trail where we were walking together. Oh, now I understand. If you get separated from your group, it's best to just stay put.
And let the people ahead of you come back and find you.
Thanks, Mom.
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. And this time, if we get separated from the group, we'll just stay put.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate started their hiking adventure all over again. But this time when they got separated from the group...
Don't worry, Kate. We'll just stay right here and wait for the group to come back and find us.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Who in the woods am I looking for? A bird! A bird! I want to see a bird!
There you are. Thanks for staying put. That made it super easy to find you. Now let's get back on that trail. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And Kit and Kate learned that sometimes the best way to find someone is to just let them find you.
3, 4.
Who in the woods am I looking for? A frog. A frog. I want to see some frogs.
Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
The cheat is on.
What do you want to play today, Kate?
Let's look in the box.
Kate? Kate, where are you?
You couldn't find me.
Hey, why don't we go play hide and seek with the ducks?
That sounds like fun.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate jumped out of their magical box and ran to Hiding Place Park. It was just the perfect place to play hide and seek.
Hey, where are the ducks? Ha! Very funny. But you won't hide from me next time.
We'll see about that. Okay, Kit, cover your eyes and count to 10, and we'll hide. Right, no peeking. That's the rule.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I see you, Kate. And you. And you. And you.
How did you find us so fast? Are you peeking?
No, I'm just really good. Can I be it again? That was fun.
Well, okay. But you won't find us this time.
But it didn't matter how well Kate and the ducks hid because Kit peeked again and saw exactly where they were hiding.
7, 8, 9, 10. I see you under the blanket. There, in the fountain.
Hey!
Up the tree. And behind the pole. I win! Let's play again. Hey, what's going on? Where are you going?
We don't want to play anymore. It's no fun.
That's because I keep winning.
That's not why.
Yes, it is. You're sore losers.
We are not.
Are two.
Are not.
Are two.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Hey, what's wrong here?
It's still my turn, but they won't play with me.
Really? And why won't you play with him?
It's no fun. No matter where we hide, he finds us right away.
How do you do that?
Easy. I'm a great player.
And you're not peeking at all.
Well, maybe a little.
And what do the rules say about peeking?
That it's cheating.
Then why do you do it?
Because then I can win, and winning's fun.
But me and the ducks weren't having fun.
How come?
Because when he cheats, there's no way we can ever win.
Oh, now I understand. You might not always win if you play by the rules, but if you do, it's a lot more fun for everyone. Thanks, Dad!
Hey, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. But this time, I promise to play fair and square. No cheating.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their hide-and-seek adventure all over again. But this time when Kit was it,
1, 2, 3...
he followed the rules and
5,
didn't peek,
6,
not even
7,
one little bit.
8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Now, where are you? I found you, Quick. Hey, I see you, Quack. And you too, Quake. Now, where is Kate? She's not here. Or here. I give up, Kate. Come on out.
Here I am. I win, Kit. That means I'm in.
Okay, but you won't find me.
We'll see about that. 1, 2...
Kit, Kate, and the ducks played hide-and-seek all day long. And even though he didn't always win, Kit felt like a winner, knowing everyone was having a good time.
Ready or not?